Suppose y varies directly with x and y equals 16 when x equals negative 4. What direct variation equation relates x and y? What is the value of x when y equals 52? So now we're going to solve for y. So we have the key phrase, y varies directly with x. So our first thing we need to find is our k. So we have this information here. So we're going to have k equals 16 divided by a negative 4, and that's going to be a negative 4. Next, we're going to use our direct variation equation, which is y equals k times x. Now we're just going to sub in for y, which is 52, and k, which is negative 4, and we're going to solve for x. We're going to find the value of x right here. That's what we're solving for. So now the inverse operation of multiplication is division. This will cross out, and therefore x will equal negative 13. Now you can go to your Schoology assignment and complete that.